Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed two types of routing protocol of wireless sensor network. One is called flat-based or data-centric. The second one is called hierarchical or cluster-based. Okay. So in flat-based, what happen? All the nodes are active and working at the same time. That means the same task is assigned to each and every node, and every node is responsible for executing the task. So in that case, what happens? Sometimes a node needs to process the unnecessary informations. In case of hierarchical, what happens? Instead of executing the same task by all the nodes, here a group is created among a set of nodes, and task is assigned accordingly. And for a particular group, there is a group leader. Okay? And this leader is known as a cluster head. So in this way, we can manage the work more efficiently. But the limitation or drawbacks of this type is that the selection of center head or cluster head. Who is going to be the cluster head of a particular cluster? That is one of its limitation. Not limitation, is one of the challenge. That means uh, identify a efficient cluster head is a challenge in this type of routing, because if you are not able to find out a efficient one, then the performance of the entire cluster is goes down. Okay. And the third one is location based routing or geographic based routing or position based routing. So here there is no grouping or no assigning of same tasks to everyone. This kind of routing is basically focused on the position of the node. That means what is the position of the node, and if a node from a particular position needs to execute something, so accordingly it will assign the duty to the particular node, and accordingly it will perform the task. So right, location based routing protocol. Location based routing protocol. In this type of routing, the location of nodes in this type of routing, the location of nodes is known through is known through the low power GPS available on every node. Available on every node. Full stop. Nodes are addressed by their location. After full stop, nodes are addressed by their location as and when required. Nodes are addressed by their location as and when required. Full stop. Therefore, not all nodes are demanded to work together.
আকৌ এবাৰ ৰিপিট কৰিব নেকি?
Okay. Therefore, not all nodes are demanded Therefore, not all nodes are demanded to work together. Comma, some may go to sleep. Some may go to sleep saving energy while others sense events. Some may go to sleep, saving energy, while others sense events. That means when every node can be identified, by its location, then the user or the other nodes are directly approaching towards the actual node based on their location rather than uh, invoking the others. That in that case, the nodes who are not currently working or associated in any tasks, they can go to sleep mode for saving their energy. Full stop. After full stop, right? The distance between the nodes the distance between the nodes can be detected the distance between the nodes can be detected by the strength of the signal detected by the strength of the signal received from those nodes. Next, advantages. Advantages. Number one, it reduces control overhead. It reduces control overhead. First point is it reduces control overhead. Second point, it reduces the energy consumption. It reduces the energy consumption. Third point, it requires less memory. It requires less memory. Next, scalable. Scalable. The last one is maintenance is less. These are some advantages of location-based routing protocol. Disadvantages, right? If the destination node lies in the same region, then the same old path then the same old path is being followed. Same old path is being followed, comma, which leads to more power uses, for specific nodes, and some remain unutilized. Okay? That means if the destination node is within the same region, then it will follow the same old path. Okay, they're not going to recreate a node. That means all the it will follow the same path which is already established. So in that case, maybe in that case, sometimes what happen, if we go for a new path, maybe the energy consumption may be decreased, but since it comes within the same region, it will not going to searching for a new path. Okay, this is all about location based routing protocol. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.